In this video, we will see how to create sets by filtering elements based on the value of a scalar result or based on the element type. Click on the Element Sets Tree item in the feature tree to access all the set generation methods. Let's create a new set using the scalar result generator. Click on Scalar Filtering Setup to define the filtering parameters. In the filtering dialog, select the scalar result to filter on and specify the min and max values of a first range. Then add the range to the definition. Elements whose scalar value is within one of the defined ranges will be included in the set. When the result is mapped on nodes, the default behavior is to include elements if all nodal scalar values are within one of the ranges. An option allows to change that behavior and include elements if at least one node is within one of the ranges. When you are done with the filtering definition, click the Create button to generate the set. As for all set generators, the bottom pane of the workspace now provides text boxes to specify the new set's name and add custom comments if needed. Click Save to register the set in the feature tree. The final set generation method is based on element types. By clicking on Element Type Filter Setup, you open a dialog in which a list of checkboxes allows to specify the types of elements you wish to include in the set. Make your selection and click Create. Again, to register the set in the feature tree, specify its name and/or add a comment in the bottom pane of the workspace and click on Save.